A coordinating conjunction, joining three or more words, phrases, or subordinate clauses, creates a series and requires commas between the elements. For example, words, peanuts, milk, and cookies. It uses comma because it uses three words, peanuts, milk, and cookies, joined by the coordinating conjunction and phrases in the mountains, at the beach, or by the lakeside. It uses comma because it uses three phrases in the mountains, at the beach, or by the lakeside, connected by the coordinating conjunction or subordinate clauses. What you think, what you say, and what you do. Subordinate clauses, what you think, what you say, what you do, are joined by the coordinating conjunction and it uses comma.